guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Varshika Singh and I'm back with another exciting video. And today I'm back with another Miniso haul. So without wasting any further time, let's get straight in the video. You might know that Miniso has been giving flat 50% off star on selected items for the month of March. So I decided to visit Miniso and I think I have bought a couple of things from them. So yeah, Miniso is my all-time favorite, but recently I discovered a store, Zimiwork, as well. So I will leave an eye over here so you can visit that. It is just like Miniso, cute stuff, affordable price, everything you want. So without wasting any further time, let's get into the video. So the first thing that I bought are these compressed mask sheets. So first of all, I really admire the packaging of Miniso. They are so cute and come in handy. They have also a hole so you can hang it on a nail, I guess, or hang it anywhere for even a decor. So these are in blue. I mean, the packaging is in blue. There was an option of pink, I guess, as well. So these are individually packed and these are of non-woven fabric. These contain 30 pieces. And what else I would like to tell you about this? It was retailing for rupees 150. I don't know how can I show you. And you first of all, you're supposed to cleanse your face thoroughly, then apply a soaked mask on your face and leave it for 15 minutes. Take the mask off and apply some skin lotion or essence. Avoid sunlight exposure, and these are not reusable, so remember that. And let's open it. So you have to remove the sticker, and okay, the masks are already falling down, and these are how they are packed. These are packed like toffees, little toffees. And they also give you a cute little bowl to soak the masks. So I'm not gonna apply a mask right now because obviously but yeah, I will definitely use these and let you know how they work and are they really good and should you try it or buy it. But you should definitely give it a try, I guess, because it's a simple mask. They are not gonna harm you in any way. So yeah, definitely a thumbs up for these masks. Will let you know how these are. So moving on to the next piece are 3 makeup products. So first of all, I would like to start with these the eyebrow pencil I bought. I have never used an eyebrow pencil, so this was rupees 250. And let's open it. And this they claim that it is a 3D to create 3D eyebrows, fine head plus thick head in one pen. Okay, so I chose the color brown. I was scared that if I choose black, they would make my eyebrows jet black, so I didn't risk it. And it is again very hard to open the packaging. And let's take it out. So this reminds me of a wand, Harry Potter. So I really like the packaging. And let's see, where should we start? Let's open it from the above. And I don't know. Okay, so you are rolled to suppose it from here and not here. So it is extremely thin, and I should give you a swatch. And okay, it is really smooth, I would say, and not that light. I think that will be the perfect color and will match. I need to get my eyebrows done. But yeah, it's really smooth. So yeah, and obviously I've never used it yet because it's completely packed and I'm opening it for the first time. And it's in the shade O2 dark brown, in case you want to know. And I'm not able to open the other end, but it is supposed to be open because it claims that one is fine and the other is a thick head, and I can see the space that it's supposed to be open, but how? It is not opening. Okay, finally I am able to open it. Okay, so this is the head of the thick side, and let's swatch this also. I'm swatching it here. Okay, again this is smooth as well, but I like the thin side more. I think that was much more smoother than this. So yeah, rather than that, I would try this and let you know how it works and is it effective or not, or what look does it give you. So yeah, this was another product. Moving on to the next makeup product is this eyeshadow pencil with brush. I don't know where the brush is. I can't not see any brush with it, but yeah, it was also on a transparent covering, but I removed it, and this was retailing for rupees 190 as far as I remember. And this is an amazing pencil. I fell in love for the first time when I saw it. So let me show you. I'm just gonna swatch it here, and look at that shine. Can you see that shine, guys? This is an amazing product, and this is just one swatch. I think I did 2 strokes, and this is how good it is. But I don't know where the brush is. It just claims that eyeshadow pencil with brush. So I don't know about that. Am I supposed to? Oh, okay. So you're supposed to take out this lid from the back side. I was just scared to that what if I broke it. So yeah, this is the brush, and I think you can use it to just to spread it over your lid. And okay, I feel it's quite smooth. I like it. So definitely this one is definitely a thumbs up. I liked its color, I liked this formula, I like this packaging, I like the price, I liked everything about this product is freaking amazing, and it's so freaking good. And there were many more shades in this, and I want to buy all of them. So yeah, definitely a good product. And you don't need to carry a whole palette, and this one thing will do the whole eye look. So yeah, moving on, the another makeup product is this lip. I would call it lip balm. It has no name. It had a transparent covering, which again I removed, and I think this was retailing for rupees 250 as far as remember, and it has no specific name. Oh yeah, it says magic lipstick, and this is in the shade peach red 02, and the packaging is so adorable. It's ombre with metal silver, and I really adore the packaging. They are so creative, and as I remember, I think the Lakme has launched this first because I saw their range, and this kind of remembered me of that. So without wasting any further time, let's open it. So this is how it looks when you open it. You can see the applicator is quite different. It is a brush which has some lipstick over it, and the lipstick is in here, and you are supposed to just press it like this, and the lipstick will be applied over here, and then you're supposed to apply it on your lips. So let me give you a swatch over here. Okay, 2 strokes and this. Look at it, guys. Can you see it? I'm in just love with their makeup products. They are so affordable, so handy, so unique, so sleek, and just look at the results. I love their products. I'm in love with Miniso. What, I don't know what else can I say. So yeah, I've been always scared that this hot pink would never suit me, but I think this is gonna suit me. So let's see. So the last product for today I have is this. So this is a sun defense refreshing sunscreen set. As summers are approaching, I need to keep myself loaded for the daily heat, so I bought this, and this is for SPF 30 and PA triple plus by Miniso, and it has one sun defense refreshing sunscreen, and second is a water repairing aloe vera gel. And this is the only thing that was on flat 50%. Nothing was on flat 50, but their board says flat 50%, and you go inside and they say, okay, move to that side, there are limited products on flat 50, and I was like, then why do you claim that we are giving flat 50% on the entire store, guys? So don't cheat us. So whatever, let's talk about the price. I love them anyway, so no regrets. So this is the packaging. This is a set, and this I removed the price again, but they had a transparent covering over it, and it was retailing for rupees 490, so I got it on a 50% off. So let's open it. I didn't use any of this. I just removed the transparent covering to save the time. So let's take it out, and these are the true products, and it is quite heavy. I just love their packaging. They're just so mesmerizing to me. I just like their packaging. They're so adorable. And let's take out the Sun Defense Refreshing Sunscreen first. Okay, this is heavy. This thing is heavy. So it has an amazing chrome blue packaging. Look at that shine. Amazing. So this is an SPF 30 plus and UV Sun Defense sunscreen, refreshing sunscreen, and its net weight is 1.76 oz, and that is 50 grams. So anything important you say is please store it in a dry and cool place, and that's it. I think and you apply to your skin and face after basic regime and before the application of cosmetics, so remember that. So let's open it. Okay, the tube looks something like this, and let's smell it. Nothing so special about the smell. I like, sometimes you have that curiosity na ki you smell the product and you expected it should be flowery or very sweet or something like that, but this cream doesn't have any of that. It's just a basic cream, nothing with a special smell. So let's apply some of it and see the consistency. Okay, it's extremely liquid, extremely liquid. I don't know how I'm supposed to show that to you guys, and I don't know what to do. I'm scared that what have I applied? Is it okay? I don't know, is it supposed to be like this? I think I have to pick the camera up and show you. And this is how liquid it is, and it is patchy, and I don't know what to do. I'm just scared to apply it now. So let's see. It's extremely thin, as I told you. This is the consistency. It's whitening my skin. I think sunscreens do that. It's giving extreme shine, but I didn't expect it to be so thin. It is extremely thin, like it's just like water, and there are something white particles in that water. I don't know how I'm supposed to. Okay, now it smells just fine. Okay, it feels so smooth. It is absorbed into my skin perfectly. I don't know if you can see the difference in the camera. Like, look at the shine and look at the side. Look at the difference of my hand, this and this. So yeah, I like it. It is given a glow to my hand. Look at that. So yeah, as till now I think it's good. I don't know, I hope this doesn't react to my skin. So yeah, so far so good. So let's take out the aloe vera gel. Okay, so the packaging is so adorable. Look at that. It just looks like an aloe vera. So green bottle, and I think you mentioned it says that it is 98% aloe vera gel, and it soothes and refresh, and it is 80 gram. So let's try it. This is the lid. Let's take it on this hand. I'm taking just a small drop to see how much it covers. So yeah, let's see. Okay, extremely smooth. Smells just fine, doesn't no abnormal smell. very smooth and it softens my skin immediately, and it absorbed into my skin just fine, just perfectly, and I cannot see any residue or like just oily or anything chip or nothing like that. Just smooth and matte finish, nothing at all. So it just smells good, and yeah, mattifies my skin. Definitely a thumbs up. And aloe vera is a necessity in summers, as it is very essential for you. It is good for your skin, you're good for your hair, good for your, everything. So yeah, I really loved it. I'm looking forward to use it more so I can give a detailed review. And stay tuned for in my blog. It will be linked in description box down below, so you can read in detail about the products. So yeah, I loved all the products. Definitely a thumbs up. The sunscreen is good, the aloe vera gel is good, the products are amazing. I'm just yet to try the mask, which I will let you know as soon as I try them. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and this is all I bought from Miniso this time. Stay tuned for more. I will see you next time with another exciting video. Till then, bye bye.